Alright guys, time for resin phase 2. So you're going to wipe everything down again with the lacquer thinner and mix up your resin. And I'm only going to show one part this time. It's very repetitive. I just keep showing everything. So we're just going to start. Okay guys, everything is coated. First coat, so I'm going to do one more. So 2 hours in between. Everything's been sprayed with acetone. I'm going to show you the coat. I'm not going to take the next resin. They'll just do the same. So this is the coat. Looking a lot more smooth. A lot closer to being done. Alright guys, this is after second coat of resin. It's looking pretty good now. So like I said, gonna let this cure 24 hours. And then we'll start wet sanding.